we'll go for the our second session. Okay, so already we discussed in first session what is the introduction of the selenium, what is the components of the selenium, and that continuation will go for the and second session. So that is how to work on the Eclipse and how to write the core Java program into the Eclipse. These are all the concepts we'll go for that today. So how to create the project, how to create the project, how to create the package, and how to create the uh, class and everything we need to go for that. Okay na? Right. So today we'll go for the how to download and how to set up the Eclipse in your system. First of all, if you want to go for the Eclipse in your system, and first you need to install the Java. You can install the Java. After that, download Eclipse. Okay, fine. So how to download and install the Java and how to download the Eclipse and how to work on the Eclipse, we'll start the discussion. So I'll show you the navigation how we need to go for that Eclipse. Right. Here, open the Google and type download JDK and 1.6 or 1.8, whatever it may be, and latest version we can go for that. And click on this first link and it will be showing a lot of versions here. If you want to download, okay, now you can select the first accept license agreement. Now you can download this is Windows 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever it may be, depend upon your system, your operating system. Now you can download it. If you click on that one, now it's start the downloading one exe file. Okay, this exe file already in my system available, so that exe file you can show it in this manner. See, this is we are calling as a exe file. We need to go for that. This is a JDK exe file, we can go for that. So this JDK exe file, okay, you can just double click on that. Whenever we can double click, now it is asking the agree and go for the next and finish. Now it will take the few minutes. Now it will be installing. After installing, you need to confirm whether it is installed in your system or not. So go for the your C drive and program files. Java folder is available or not. If you see it now, if you see this one, oh, in your system JDK is installed, okay, available. This is a confirmation. We need to go for that after installing the JDK. Okay. After that, we'll go for the Eclipse. How to download the Eclipse? In same manner, first step we need to go for the Google. In this Google, okay, and type the download Eclipse. So whenever click on download Eclipse and click on search button, and first link you need to click it, and here you can find the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers that you can download 32-bit, otherwise 64-bit. So what is the version you require that you need to download and save into your system. If you save that, okay, in your system, now it will be going for in this manner. That is, it's showing like this. Eclipse. This is it will be showing the for example, I'll show it. Yes, yeah, it will be showing in this manner. Where is my Eclipse? Right, this is the Eclipse. Now you right click, extract that one, and it will be showing the folder format. Extracting, this is a folder format. In this folder, double click. Now here is a so many files will be available. These all the files. Here you can see it. This is we are calling as a Eclipse. This I can go for a shortcut, because of every time I need to come to the here and I need to open, I need to double click, so I can go for the shortcut into the desktop. So this is we are calling as a shortcut. Now this you need to double click. Whenever we can double click this exe file, okay, this Eclipse file, that will be start the opening. Whenever it will be open, okay, initially it's not open like this. It is asking like this workspace. This is we are calling as a workspace. For example, I need to go for a workspace. This is we're calling as a sample. Okay, sessions. I can go for that. Okay. So whenever you can give it like this and click on the OK button. If you click OK button, now Eclipse will be started opening, and back end it will be creating the one folder with that name. Okay na? Whatever we are giving the folder name, and it's creating with that name only. So this is we are calling as a Eclipse we are calling. If you click close the welcome screen, close it. This is we are calling as a Eclipse. These Eclipse having the four panels. That is, first one is I'll tell you. This is the first one. I can go for that. This is the first one panel. Second one as a third one, as a fourth one. So what is here? First one is this is you're calling as a package explorer. What is the files you are uploading? What is the files you are creating? That all will be showing here. And here we need to write our manual test case to automation script. Here whatever we are written, methods, class name, package name, everything hierarchy will be showing outline. If you execute this script, and output will be coming to here. So this is we are calling as a four panels we are having here. Right. Now here we'll go for the how to create the project, how to create the package, everything will show it. So for example, so what we are planning to go for the creating in Eclipse means, first I need to create the one workspace. This is a workspace we need to create. In this workspace I need to create the project. This is we are calling as a project I need to create. Whenever we are creating the project, automatically source file will be created. In this source I need to create the package. In this package I need to create the class. Here I can write our automation script. It's very clear. So what we need to go for here means, first I need to create the workspace, and then I need to create the project. Whenever we are creating the project, automatically source will be created, and then create the package, and then create the class. We need to go for that. Okay na? So this is the way we need to create the our folder structure in Eclipse. For example, I want to go for the creating here. This is, so if you want to create the project, right click on the package explorer, select the new, and click on the Java project. In this Java project, now we can give the project name. For example, I can go for the sample project. I can write it. So, and if you go for your latest one, 7 or 6, whatever it may be, select it and click on the finish button. If you click on the finish button, now it's creating the folder format like this, src source file, and this is we are calling as a JRE, Java Runtime System Libraries. Java Runtime System Libraries. Okay, and these files don't touch, don't delete anything. If you delete, total our setup will be corrupted. Very clear, right? And then I need to start the creating the package. Right click on the source file, click on the package. So while creating the package, you can go for the domain name dot. For example, my name is Sreekanth. This is the project name. Purpose test script. We can write it. Okay. So this is the way we need to go for here. It's very clear. And click on the finish button. So this is we are calling as a package name. In this package, you need to create the class. Right click on the package, select the new, and click on the class. Now I can write the test case 1. This is we are calling as the first test case, and select the public static void main. Click on the finish button. So this is we are calling as a class. And if you go for here class, like this, for example, I want to go for the font size, increasing the font size. This is, yeah, and it's a bold. Click OK button, apply OK button. Right. Now here, if you double click this one, it's a maximizing. Now it will be showing here. This is we are calling as a public class. What is the class name we are giving, that one, and starting of the class and ending of the class. Same manner, public static void main. starting of the main method and ending of the main method. If you want to write anything execution related, okay, statements that within the main method only we can write. For example, I can write, so here like this I can write it, system.out.println is used for printing statements only, printing statements only. Very clear, huh? So for example, I can give here, hi selenium Sreekanth, I can write it. Okay, after that I can write now system.out.println, hi selenium old. So this is a, we can write it, okay, in this manner. Now if you save it and click on run button, now it's giving the output, hi selenium Sreekanth and selenium old. Okay, this is the way it will be printing. Okay, so if you go for here, this is already I told, and selenium is divided into four panels, that is test, package explorer, and second one is test. This is we are calling as a package explorer. Here whatever you are creating the file, that all will be hierarchy will be showing here. Okay na, right. And this is we are calling as a class. Whatever the test cases you required, okay, that we need to write the script here. Here whatever you are creating, the package name, test case, class name, main method, that all will be hierarchy showing here. If you execute that, output will be showing here. So this is we are calling as a four panels, right. After that, so these we need to go for the creating the, okay, so main method, and then, okay, so class we need to create, package we need to create. So this is we are calling as a how to set up the Eclipse in your system. So first you need to go for the JDK download and install. Then Eclipse you need to download, no need to install, directly we need to open the exe file. But prerequisite is JDK we need to install compulsory. So very clear. So this is the way we need to go for the creating the, okay, so package, and then we can go for the project, class, workspace, everything we need to create in this manner. Here you can start the writing the script, okay, like this, and printing statement. So now whatever it may be, manual test cases, you can start the writing like this, okay, here using Selenium WebDriver only. Clear, right. And here so many people cannot understand what is a public, what is a class, what is a static, what is a void, what is a main method, what is a string. So like this, so many doubts will be there because of we are testing engineers, sir, we are test engineers, we don't have that much programming knowledge. So we'll go for the basics onwards. So what is mean by public, okay, so what is mean by private, what is mean by default, what is mean by, okay, protected, what is the data types. So byte, short, integer, long, float, double, and same manner we can go for the boolean, char, string. So these are all the data types. We will start it and we'll discuss, then we'll start the writing the our program. Okay na. So this is the way we'll go for the, okay, our second session. We are creating how to work on the Eclipse, how to set up the Eclipse in our system, and how to create the workspace, and how to create the project, how to create the package, and how to create the class, and how we need to write the simple printing statements in the class, and execute and getting the result. So this is our session we are discussing in second session, like this we are creating. Okay, and thank you very much. And this is Sreekanth. And if you want to go for any online training, okay, you can contact with this mail ID. So that is, I can go for the Sreekanth dot testing tools at the rate gmail.com. So this is my mail id. Okay, if you want to go for any phone number, and if you want to contact with me, now we can go for the 9849 and 3679 and 89, and this is we need to give 9849367989. This is my mobile number you need to contact with. And another one also we have 8008458046. So this is my session. Okay, this is my mobile number. Okay, if you want to contact for online training, now you can contact with this mail id, otherwise you can go for the any number. Okay, so this is okay our session today. Okay, thank you very much. We'll stop here. Okay, thank you.